Hello students, today we are going to study about congruence of triangles. Chapter number 7, Congruence of Triangles, class 7th Mathematics. So let's start. So we have seen in our previous video that two line segments are congruent if they have the same length. We have seen the video that previous video कि हमने अगर two line segments की अगर length same होती है then they are congruent. We have also seen that if two angles have the same measure, then we can say that the two angles are congruent. This is the symbol of congruent. So AB is congruent to CD and this angle is congruent to this angle. Also, we can say about circles also. If two circles having the same radius, अगर दो सर्कल्स की रेडियस सेम होती है, जैसे सपोज ये 1 सेंटीमीटर का सर्कल हुआ और यहाँ भी 1 सेंटीमीटर का और बना लेते हैं, एंड इफ दे हैविंग द सेम रेडियस देन दे आर सेड टू बी कॉन्ग्रुएंट. एंड अबाउट रेक्टेंगल आल्सो, इफ टू रेक्टेंगल्स हैविंग द सेम लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ, either we can draw in any of the way, this is length, this is breadth, then they having the same length as well as the same breadth, then the two rectangles are said to be congruent. Similarly in square also, if two squares having the same side, suppose the side here is 2 centimeter and another square is also of 2 centimeter, then we can say that these two squares are congruent. So line segments same length, angles same measurement, circles same radius, rectangle same length and same breadth, and a square same side. If it is there, then they all are congruent. So this is all about some figures. Now we are going to study about triangles. What happens when two triangles are there? So let's start. Consider one triangle ABC. Let's make one triangle ABC. So these are the two triangles. Let us name these triangles. First one ABC and the second one PQR. We have made two triangles PQR and ABC. Now these two triangles are congruent if they are exact copies of each other. ये एक दूसरे की कॉपी होंगी तभी ये दो ट्राइंगल्स क्या होंगे, कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे. एंड व्हेन सुपरपोज्ड, जब एक ट्राइंगल को दूसरे ट्राइंगल पे हम रखते हैं, दे कवर ईच अदर एग्जैक्टली. नाउ लेट अस टेक द कटिंग्स ऑफ दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स एंड लेट अस सी वेदर दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर congruent or not. So this is the cutting of triangle PQR and this is the cutting of triangle ABC. Now let us try to place this triangle PQR, ये triangle PQR हम ABC के ऊपर रखते हैं. तो see, so this completely इसको क्या कर रहा है, पूरा सुपरपोज कर रहा है. So we can say that triangle this ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. And similarly अगर हम ABC को ले लेते हैं and if we put our a triangle PQR, then it completely occupies, ये पूरा इसको क्या कर रहा है, कवर कर रहा है. So we can say that the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. And we can say in this way also, अगर हम ये दो triangles को एक के ऊपर एक रख देते हैं, then what will happen? See, they completely occupies each other and these two triangles are said to be congruent. See ABC and just below you can see PQR. These two triangles are completely occupying or superposed, they are completely occupying each other, and vertex A on vertex P, vertex B on vertex Q and vertex C on vertex R. अगर हम कोई और तरीके से रखें, ये तो हुआ इस तरह से, अगर हम उसको चेंज कर दें तो क्या दे आर दे कॉन्ग्रुएंट? लेट अस सी, नो, इन दिस वे दे आर नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सी, इस तरह से वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं है. एंड अनदर वे, in this way, no. If we are changing the vertex, then they are not congruent. So they are congruent only when their corresponding parts match each other. अगर उनके corresponding parts मिलेंगे तभी वो क्या होंगे, congruent होंगे. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. ABC is congruent to triangle PQR as they having the same shape as well as same size. उनके shape भी same है और size भी same है, so they are congruent. And now, what about vertex? When we are placing triangle ABC, over triangle PQR, you can see that what things are equal. AB equals to PQ. AB falls on PQ. BC falls on QR and AC falls on PR, or PR falls on AC, and vertex A matches with vertex B, vertex B matches with vertex Q, and vertex C matches with vertex R, or angle A equals to angle P, angle B equals to angle Q, and angle R equals to angle C. So we'll write the corresponding must be equal. अगर corresponding आप नहीं रखेंगे then the triangles are not congruent. हमने अभी देखा था कि triangles कब congruent हो रहे हैं, जब A P पर है, B Q पर है और C किस पे है, R पे है. Then only the two triangles are congruent. If we interchange, अगर हम कुछ भी इंटरचेंज करते हैं, R को A पे रखने की कोशिश करेंगे तो ट्राइंगल्स कन्ग्रुएंट नहीं होंगे इस केस में, देखो. और any other way they are not congruent. So corresponding is very important. You must know what is corresponding. Means A must be on P, B must be on Q, and C must be on R. Then only the triangles are congruent. So let us write corresponding parts. So here triangle ABC. So corresponding parts we have written. This is the correct symbolic form. आपको ये आना ही चाहिए कि A B C लिखा तो A किसका corresponds है, A corresponds to P. Vertex A corresponds to vertex P, vertex B corresponds to vertex Q, and vertex C corresponds to vertex R. If we write any other, then the two triangles are not congruent. So it must be observed carefully while doing सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म. तो करेक्ट सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म आना ही चाहिए. ए बी सी लिखा है तो ए के करस्पॉन्ड्स क्या है, तो जहां से ए स्टार्ट हुआ है वहीं से पी स्टार्ट होना चाहिए. ए स्टार्ट हुआ है ए बी सी, फिर यहां भी इसी तरह से होना चाहिए पी से क्यू, क्यू से आर, बिकॉज in this case only the two triangles are congruent. So let us write all corresponding vertices first. So corresponding vertices हो गई A and P, B and Q, and C and R. So these are the corresponding vertices. Means A P पे होना चाहिए, B Q पे होना चाहिए, C R पे होना चाहिए. Then only triangle is congruent. Then corresponding sides are corresponding sides. So what are the corresponding sides? अब देखें ध्यान से. A B P Q K. So write A B and P Q, B C and Q R, and see this one A C and P R, A C and P R. And then corresponding angles. So let us take corresponding angles also. Corresponding angles angle A and angle P, angle B and angle Q, and angle C and angle R. Angle C and angle R. So this shows that triangles are congruent when the length of the sides and the angles must be same and the vertices must be same. And the symbol for congruence means corresponds is also like this. अगर हमें corresponds का symbol चाहिए तो we can also write in this way. A corresponds to P. अगर A P के corresponds है तो this is the symbol of corresponds. A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, C corresponds to R. ये corresponds का symbol है. Here also AB corresponds, the side AB corresponds to PQ, the side BC corresponds to QR, and AC corresponds to PR. And here also we can write, in case of angles also, angle A corresponds to angle P, angle B corresponds to angle Q, and angle C corresponds to angle R. So we can say finally that triangle ABC corresponds to triangle PQR के corresponds में है, means they are congruent because the sides, the angles and the vertices all are same. Therefore triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. अगर ये corresponds हो रहा है तो triangle congruent होंगे. अगर any other way हो जाएगा, कोई और वे हो जाएगा, तो ट्राइंगल्स क्या होंगे? कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं होंगे. तो ए पी पे होना चाहिए, और अगर कोई और करेंगे तो ट्राइंगल्स आर नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट. सो आई होप द टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू. What is congruence of triangles, corresponding sides, angles, and when the two triangles are congruent. So thank you so much for watching the video.